Yo, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to another video on this channel, man. So today, as you can see, we're going to be working on the photo in front of us. So not to waste so much time, let's get straight to it. So as you can see, this photo has so many scars. So let's get straight to it. What we're going to do, the first thing is going to make a copy of this background by pressing Ctrl J twice. Then we're going to name the first one as M and the second one as L. Then you're going to close the M and select the L and come to filter, come to blur, Gaussian blur, then put it around 2 point. When you're seeing the photo is like it's losing focus now, then press OK. Then come back to M and switch it on. Come to image, apply image, then select the other L. So this is where you need to name them so that you can not easily forget. Select the L, come to subtract. Then as you can see, you should put the scale on 2, the offset on 128. Then when you see it's looking white like that in the background, then that's okay. If it's not looking like that, just know it's still got problems, bro. So come to normal and come to put it on liner light. Then you can see it takes us back to the normal color. Then now what we're going to do is we're going to start the issue of brushing it by using mixer brush tool. So you can see where you can find it. Then the settings should be in clean brush. If this is unticked, untick it, put this on wet, then put the flow on 55, then press sample all layers, then come here to come and create a new layer. Then now close the upper M, then brush from this layer, don't touch the L, brush from this layer. So now what we're going to do, we're going to start brushing. Brush while going downwards. If you go upwards, sometimes you might spoil it. Mouse is good when you're using a mouse. Just keep on brushing, don't worry about what's happening the other side. Even though it's still in blur, keep on brushing. So as you can open to check, you can see our skin is changing from this to this. Now close it, finish the rest. Make sure you brush it properly so that it can look nice. You will have to take you like over 3 to 5 minutes to just brush it. So here you can see we have before and after. Before and after. So hit that subscribe button in case you have got something that has helped you here. See you in the next video. Yeah.